friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Corsair new VENGEANCE a8100 and i8100 gaming PC. So friend, Corsair has introduced the VENGEANCE a8100 and i8100 to its line of VENGEANCE gaming PCs, and the GeForce RTX TM 4090 graphics card and Intel or AMD processors give both system top tier performance. And friend, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 is the fastest gaming graphics card available to date, and it is powered by ultra efficient NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, which delivers a quantum leap in both performance and AI powered graphics. And friend, experience lifelike virtual worlds with ray tracing and ultra high FPS gaming with lowest latency. And friend, 16,384 CUDA cores and 24 GB of GDDR6X Memory offer unprecedented workflow acceleration and enable content creation to forward with confidence. And friend, it comes with innovative cooling with IQ-H150i light capless liquid CPU cooler, 64 GB of Dominator Platinum DDR5 DRAM, 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe storage drives, and more. And friend, an exceptional 1000 watt 80 plus volt power supply unit and Z790 motherboard also prepare the system to stand the test of time. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.